Well, resources for fire victims all in one place. Today, people who lost their homes in the Eaton Fire were invited to the Altadena Future Fair.
KCAL's Zach Boetto joins us now live from the Pasadena Convention Center where the community is coming together. Zach.
Hey guys, you know, Mother's Day is a day that people usually try to spend with their moms, but the group that was here today at the Pasadena Convention Center was made up of Altadena Fire victims, contractors, and county officials who were all leaning on each other to help go forward with this rebuilding process.
And that means you're not landfilling, which you're concerned about, environment.
Rebuilding is at the top of mind for Altadena Future Fair attendees on this Mother's Day for many who lost their homes in the Eaton Fire.
My wife was here earlier, and I was set to go celebrate Mother's Day with her mother, who's 101. But I'll see her next Wednesday, and so we decided, well, maybe it's better if I get exposed to some of these things.
For some, like Don here, who is 99 years old, it's a day he's still spending with family as he and his daughter look for the best options to build back their home that burned down.
We hope to make progress and get rebuilt and moved back into that same area.
Fair organizer Frankie Norstad says over 1,200 people RSVP'd for this weekend's grassroots event, which she says aims to unite residents, innovators, and local leaders to envision and rebuild the community's future.
I lost my house January 7th, and you know, pretty quickly this became obvious that we needed to do something big. For a lot of people that I talked to, as far as the organization were going, they felt like, oh, this is happening too soon. I think if your house burned down, you feel like this conversation could have happened a month ago.
Many we spoke with say they can't get rebuilt and back in their homes soon enough. But they're grateful for the people who they can lean on in this time of need, and this type of community fair is something people here say they would like to see more of. And you can find more information on the Altadena Future Fair and rebuilding resources on our website at kcalnews.com. In Pasadena, I'm Zach Boetto, KCAL News.